Okay, I'm going to show you how to add your shapes to your Weebly. If you use my scanner, you have your pictures here on the scanner, and then to get them off, what I do is I take and double click on them, and then I use my snipping tool. If you're not familiar with the snipping tool, it's very, very cool. Click here and just start typing in snip, and it pops up right there, snipping tool. It's part of Windows, and every Windows computer, starting with maybe 2007, has it on there automatically. It looks like this, and I suggest when you get it working that you just go ahead and put it on your toolbar down here. I just keep mine down there. Okay, then I'm going to click New, and then what this does is it allows me to snip a picture of anything I want. Now I can Control C and save this onto something I want to save it on. I suggest just saving these onto a Word file, or you can go File, Save As, and save this into a folder of yours. Let's just call this Shape 1. And then you've got it saved as a JPEG. So I have all of my shapes here. I've saved all my shapes down. If you took pictures with your phone, you also need to get all of your shapes, from your phone into one location. So then you need to go to your own Weebly and you need to log in. I've logged into mine, and that's where you hit Edit Site so you can edit your site. Okay, so you want to go to your underneath your IED. Remember, we made a page for IED, and before I told you that we're going to add stuff here later. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Pages, because we're going to add a new page for our engineering shapes. So click on Pages and click the plus button here. And we're just going to add a standard page. We're going to call it Engineering Shapes. You can leave the rest of the stuff okay, hit Done. And then put it down here at the bottom. And you're not going to have all this extra parts here, but you want to take it, and it was even with IED. You want to scoot it in just a little bit like this. That will make it so that it shows up under your IED. You just take it and scoot it in just a little bit, just like this, underneath the IED. Then I'm going to go back to Build, because I'm going to fix this page here. So I am on my Engineering Shapes page, and so far there's nothing down here. So what I want to do is I'm going to add a slideshow. And then I get to pick which kind I want. You can pick whichever kind you like. I think I'm going to pick this one. I like that one. Now upload photos from my computer. I have mine right here. Just take them, drop them over here. Look, there they come. They're coming up in exactly the order I have them in my folder. I happen to name mine Shape 1, 2, 3, 4 so that they came up in perfect order. Got them all there. Save. Now, if you'll look here, my slides, they'll show up here one at a time. Oh, I don't need to do that. Then, before I get done, I need to be sure I hit the Publish button. Provided that you already filled out my form originally with this, this is now done, and I can check your Weebly the same way I checked it the first time. I'm going to show you what it looks like over here, because this is the one that we just updated. This is my published one. Now I have my engineering shapes here. Click on it, and when I go down here, I can hit play, and it'll automatically go through the different shapes. Or I can click and go to the next ones. Or I can click on just one over here, and I can pick the ones I want over here. So that's what we're going to be doing. That's all there is. Thank you.